Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides of this vehicle, you'll find further sleek features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 21-inch 5-split spoke gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear of this vehicle, you will find your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast amount of boot space. To the left, you're going to find easy to access controls for your electronic air suspension, ensuring easy loading in and out of this vehicle, and your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, with own climate control systems and USB ports. Glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 20-way heated electric front seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal. And advancing over at your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro Touch, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. To finalise our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.